When you start your weight loss journey, I know that you want the results right away because I'm not any different. And if I'm being honest, if I don't see results within a few days, I really just want to give up. So here are my 9 top tips to give you the momentum that you need. And the last one may actually surprise you.
The first one is to make sure you are getting your whole foods in and you are meal prepping ahead of time. Opting for whole foods to fuel your body efficiently and dedicating weekly time to meal prep will ensure balanced nutrition and save time even during your busy days. 2 is portion control. Be very mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and listen to your body's hunger cues to maintain a healthy intake. 3rd is to find an exercise that you really like because you want to aim to do this twice a day for a little while you build that momentum and kickstart your weight loss. 4th is to prioritize sleep. Aim for 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. Adequate rest supports overall health, aids recovery, and enhances daily performance. 5th is maintaining proper hydration as it supports digestion, energy levels, and cognitive function. 6th, and one of my favorites, is staying active at your desk job. Incorporate movement into your workday, whether standing, stretching, or brief walks every hour to reduce your sedentary time and boost circulation. 7 is tracking your calories. Monitor your daily caloric intake using a journal or an app. This helps maintain awareness of your eating habit and supports weight management goals. 8 is tracking your weight. You want to be able to observe trends over time, and consistent tracking can motivate progress and highlight areas needing adjustment.
This one might surprise some people, but you have to become absolutely obsessed with it. You get what you focus on, so if you focus on losing weight, the results will come.